Enterprise Core Technologies. Welcome to our video series. For those new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Our objective for today is to create a L2VPN service between MKT and QCY, and then connect the customer PE to the ISP. So now we're going to connect the MKT PE, the core network, to the ISP as a usual setup. So our steps is to create an L2VPN circuit using XCONNECT between PE1 and PE2 of the ISP, and then we will disconnect this link and connect it directly to the ISP, and then we will verify the connection between the customer PE. So we will verify if the BGP here will come up. Okay, so the LAN network, we will not be touching that any for this video. So we'll be focusing on the core network and on the ISP. Okay, so let's begin. Before I begin, I would like to go over with the change the scripts. So in the ISP side, so we will ensure that the IPsec is on and configure the label protocol to LDP MPLS range 200 to 299, and then we will force the router ID for the MPLS to be on the loopback 1. In the interfaces, we will configure MPLS IP, so we will add them to the MPLS, and then on the router OSPF, which is our IGPA, we will configure autoconfig, LDP autoconfig. So this is for the P, and then same is true with the PE 1 and 2. And then for the third step, this is where we create the cross connect, the XCONNECT. So the XCONNECT will be XCONNECT, and then this is the so if you're in PE1, this is the loopback 1 of PE2. So we will tell them that we will connect to the loopback 1 of PE2, and this is the virtual circuit ID 10. So it doesn't matter if it's this does not mean the VLAN. Okay, it's just that for consistency we will use 10, and then encapsulation MPLS. Okay, so same true with the PE. So XCONNECT the loopback 1 of the PE1 from PE2, and then BCID encapsulation MPLS. Okay, so let's start. Okay, as you can see here, we have the LDP neighbor change. Okay, it's up. So to check, show MPLS forwarding table. So we can see the forwarding table of the MPLS. So MPLS binding. So this is the routing table of the MPLS, similar, like it's not really the routing. Okay, so this is 64. So this is you can see here, this is the 64 in label 200. There's a label 200 here, and it goes out with no label. 68 in label, IMP null, since it's coming from here. Out label 68, so there's no label yet. This 225, I think this is loopback address of P1. 227, 228, 228 is the loopback of. Okay, let's now connect the core router from the CE or the customer. Delete this one. Okay, so let's create the XCONNECT between the PE. Okay, so let's try to test the connectivity. Okay, so it seems that the ISIS has an issue. I believe there was a issue with the ISIS connecting to the service provider. So for now, we will change our IGP into SPF.